Hey guys, this is Amanda from Salty North Studio, and today I'm going to teach you a little trick I like to use when I go to make my color palettes. So this is a really helpful hint when we're trying to create color palettes for our designs. It's really nice to see a photo that already has the colors you're thinking about putting in a design of yours, and you can already see that in this photo here, there's blues and pinks, and I can see the different shades and tones of these colors already working really well together. So that's why this is a very helpful way of creating color palettes from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to select colors from my image, just using my finger and picking up the colors. And I'm gonna do that and drag over some rectangular shapes and fill them in. Okay, so you can see that I have different variations of blues and pinks coming from this inspirational photo. So in order to get more tones out of these 6 swatches, I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to set this layer to multiply. All you have to do is select your color and draw right on top of it, and it will automatically create a darker shade. Now that we have our second set of shades, we are going to do the exact same thing over the existing shade we created. So we're going to select the color and create a darker shade by drawing another square over top. So now we're going to create one set of lighter tints for us to use based off of these original color swatches that we brought out. So we're going to create a new layer and set it to overlay. Select the original color that we created and do the same thing. So now from the original 6 colors that we brought out from this inspirational photograph, we've created 24 different colors that we can use in our designs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you create really awesome color palettes for your future design work. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thanks.